This is question number 19 of exercise 5.3 from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions of Standard 10. Here question is 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. Pattern is given here. 20 logs in the bottom row, 20 logs are here. 19 in the next row, 19. 18 in the row next to it, this is 18, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed? Total logs is 200. So in how many rows 200 logs placed, and how many logs in the top row? Solution is simple. In the first row there are 20 logs. In the second row number of logs is 19. Next to it 18, and so on. So you see, this is a pattern of arithmetic progression with first term a is 20, common difference d is equal to -1, each term is decreasing by -1, difference of two consecutive terms is -1 here. We have to find out total number of rows of the logs. So let us find out n here. And Sn is given. Total number of logs in n rows is 200. So we can use the formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or Sn is 200. So 200 is equal to, we have to find out n here. This is not known. N by 2, 2a, 2 into 20, plus n minus 1 into d is -1. Let us simplify it. Multiply these two with 200 by cross multiplication, or 400 is equal to n into, this is 2 into 20, 40 plus n into -1, this is minus n, and -1 into -1 is +1. Correct? Or 400 is equal to, this is minus n into n, this is minus n square, 40 plus 1, 41n plus 41n, or transpose these two terms to left side, we are getting n square minus 41 n plus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. In terms of n, we will factorize it. Or n square, this minus 41n, we can write here minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. While factorizing, you take care that when you break up the middle term here, sum or difference will remain same, means minus 25n minus 16n is giving minus 41n, and product of these two numbers should be equal to product of first and last number. So this is the process of factorization of quadratic equation. We have discussed so many questions in the chapter of quadratic equation. So if you have any difficulty, any problem, please go through that chapter. Go the playlist of quadratic equations already there in the channel. Now simplify it. Or here n will be common in first two terms. N is common, n minus 25 minus 16 is common, n minus 25 is equal to 0. Or again n minus 25 is common in these two terms. So n minus 25 into n minus 16 is equal to 0. Here factor of two terms is 0. So either or both will be equal to 0. So by equating these two factors with 0, we are getting value of n is equal to 25 and 16. But we will see here that this value n of 25 will not be accepted. Why? What is the reason? Because when you take n is equal to 25, then number of logs will be minus because number of logs is decreasing here in rows in this order. So when you come to 25th row, number of logs is becoming minus. How we can check it? We know the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or T25. If you take n is equal to 25, a first term is 20 plus 25 minus 1, that is 24, into d is minus 1. This is equal to 20 minus 24. This is equal to minus 4. This is not possible. Number of logs cannot be negative. So we are considering here n is equal to 16. Therefore n is equal to 16. And now we have to find out that what is the total number of logs in 16th row. So by the same formula you can get it. T16 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d, that is minus 1. So this is 20, this is minus 15, this is equal to 5. So therefore n is equal to 5. That is number of logs in the topmost, means 16th row. This is the answer. One answer is this one. Number of rows is 16, and another answer, number of logs is 5 in the 16th row. Correct? So question is not difficult, little bit tricky, but we can understand it very easily. So hope you got the solution here, and remain in touch with these videos. We have to see so many important questions in other videos to come. And please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it, and please share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.